keeps his tent. There's stuffed animals are right here. The blankets are all messed up. He likes to keep a pillow. He has a throw blanket in here, so I just need to straighten this up and make it look all nice and neat. Watch out, baby.
And a snowman.
So I'm about to straighten all this up, and we just like leave it in our living room for him because he likes to play in here, and sometimes he sleeps in here, so. So this is it. I put his pillow on the left, and then I like to fold his, I like to fold his sleeping bag over top of his little blanket. I do put a blanket at the bottom to have some cushion because when he likes to sleep in here, and then I just stuff all his stuffed animals that he had in here over in the corner. So that's what it looks like.
So my mom does taking my toys out of stuff I don't need.
Yes, guys, we have this big bin full of toys. We have stuff on top of it, so I'm just going to take all this out, the top.
And a wrench.
We're going to stick it all on this side.
Okay.
Okay, so this is all the toys that is left. Most of it is like bigger type toys. Like he has some bowling pins, some bigger toys and stuff like that. That's why it looks like it's a lot, but it's not really. Cars and things over there. And we're gonna put the top onto the bin, which I can kind of do now. And this is just toys that he already plays with. Here's a Lego set that I had to put together. That's all birthday stuff, so I'm gonna leave that there.